Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to turn yourself into a superhero. First, using the PicsArt app, select a portrait image. Now go to Draw. And select the brush in the color white. Use this to white out the eyes. Then go to Lens Flare and select the one as shown. Place it onto the image and adjust the hue. Repeat the process with the other eye, this time using another lens flare as shown. Next, go to Add Photo and add in the previously downloaded image of lava. Adjust it onto the image with Blend and Screen. Select Adjust and increase the hue. Then with Eraser, remove the excess. Go to Add Photo again and select the pre-downloaded image of a spell. It can be anything you want. Select Blend and Screen and adjust it onto the image. With Eraser, remove the excess. Now add in another pre-downloaded image as shown. Repeat the process, blend and screen and adjust it onto the image. Similarly, add in another image, this time fire. Cover the lower portion with this image. Blend and screen. Also adjust the hue and opacity. Again, go to Add Photo and add another pre-downloaded image as shown. Blend and screen and frame it around the eyes. Click Done and save the image. For the next steps, we will be using the Lightroom app. Upload the image you just created. Select Effects and adjust Vignette. Then select Color and adjust the stats as per your liking. Similarly, select Light and adjust the stats as per your preference. Save the image. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.